Hey guys, welcome back. And today we need to get into another function, which is again related to which is related to time. In our last video, we checked how we can use R function. Similarly, today we check and how we can use the minute function to get the minute from a particular time. So what are the minutes in a particular time? So this function isolates the minute component of a given time value or the date serial number. Now, this function returns any integer between 0 to 59, so which denotes the minutes of a given time. Okay, so it is categorized under the date and time functions as we have seen. So for example, if I have to interpret a timestamp date, a data set, determining the difference between two time values and validating the minute values, you can successfully do it using a minute function. Additionally, you can also utilize hours and seconds function to extract only the hour and second components of a specific time. We'll see to it at a later stage. But let's first try to understand what is the syntax. So the syntax for it is minute. So you have to specify minute, open bracket, then you have to specify the time or the serial number of the time to give you the output. Okay. So let's quickly dive down into how we can use it. So we'll use it for this particular date or time that we already have. So I'll say is equal to minute, open brackets, and I'll select the time. So it should give me 45. Yeah. Same way, if I copy this formula down for this particular time, it should give me 25. Yes, I'm right on this. Let's see for this one. So your date could be in any format. As you can see, I have used various formats which can be used for the time function or time. I have used it in HHMM and seconds format. I have used this in I have removed the AMPM. I've used AMPM without seconds. I've used serial number. Yeah. So let's see if it is able to use the utilize the or fetch the minutes properly from all these particular formats, and I'm able to do it. Yeah, you can see this. But if I have a negative number, let's see if I'm able to fetch the time. No. Yeah, it gives me a value error. Yeah. Similarly, if I use minute with a negative function, so a negative number. So if I use minute with minus 59, yeah, I press enter, it will give me a num error. But for a text, which sounds like time formatting, you would be able to get the exact minutes because it automatically converts the time into a time value, a text into a time value, and then fetches you the relevant time from that particular relevant minute from that particular time. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah. So what you need to remember is minute function is used to retrieve or isolate minute from a particular time, which can be further used for with any other function to get a relevant output. Yeah, and it is always in the form of a decimal number. So you need to remember that. So if you supply a serial number containing invalid Excel time, then minute function will return a value error since I have given a negative output to it, which will not be a case in a time. Time is always a positive number. Now again, if the negative value is specified in the serial number itself, then it will give you a num error. So you need to be careful while passing on serial numbers as well. It cannot have a negative value. Okay, so this is all about the minute function. The crux that you need to remember is it will retrieve minutes in a form of digits or integer from 0 to 59 from a time. Yeah, time or a serial number of a time available in a cell, or what you pass it as an argument. Yeah, hope I was able to make things clear on the minute function. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. And also it will keep me motivated towards creating such informative, useful contents for your people free of cost. Thank you so much.